the fuck up and let other people talk. But like you literally talk all the fucking time. Like as soon as you get on stream, it's you all fucking day. Like as soon as you get on a stream, like nobody talks because you're talking literally the whole goddamn fucking time. It's crazy. How the fuck do like where do you get the energy to talk so
Bro, are
much?
you talking, man? Your mic's been cutting out for like, I think like 2 minutes now. Are you talking?
That's what I mean. Like this shit like that.
I thought everybody was just hanging out listening to that song. My bad. Were you talking? Because at the end you're like talking all the time. I think he was talking. I know.
Anyway, whatever. Anyway,
All right, man. All right. Peace and love, everybody. You guys have a great night. Don't forget, man. Your life is much better
fuck
without me.
off.
Skibbity.
What up, folks? Your boy King Rasco back at it with another motherfucking Mount Liquor video. And folks, it's gonna be a different video. Shout out to Harvey Christ for them murder motherfucking videos. Oh, it's an early one too. I just got off work. Fucking graveyard shift. And it's fucking 8 a.m. in the motherfucking morning. It's time to eat. You already know what's up. If you guys been to Whataburger, you definitely know what's up. Shout out to Whataburger. And shout out to all you guys. Shout out to the fucking spicy ketchup, dog. Spicy ketchup. But yeah, big shout out to Harvey Christ. He's the one that usually does these murder videos. You guys haven't seen them, go ahead and check him out. Motherfucker does them challenges. But yeah, it's time to drink, dogs. It's an early one. Like I said, 8 a.m. I think this is the first time I ever fucking drink this early, but shit, it's the fucking weekend. I did what I needed to do, and it's time. It's time to dig in, dogs. Shout outs to Loopback Larry for this track. Shout outs to the Riff Dog. Check out this big ass fucking burger. Damn. Woo! Let's wash down that fucking bite with some liquor. Hell yeah. Shout out to all you guys out there, especially to the ones that work that graveyard shift. Oh my god, I don't know how y'all motherfuckers do, but I had to go in. Overtime, dog. Overtime. But shit, fuck it. Extra money for that motherfucking pocket and for them 40s. So cheers, folks. Cheers. Let's get this shit. Fuck yeah, shout outs to Luke Beck, Larry. Shout out to all you guys out there. Still making that motherfucking Mount Liquor videos. There's a couple of you guys still being active. And shout outs to One Saturday Morning. Remember that fucking tune? fucking early morning cartoons. So I was just like, you know what? Let me put some fucking old school Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles in the background. And I probably won't eat the whole fucking burger on cam, but I'll definitely finish it off cam. And I'm definitely gonna finish this one right fucking now. Whoo-wee. At the fucking swillage. I kind of feel fucking awkward buying alcohol at 7 in the motherfucking morning, dog. Feel like a fucking crackhead, fucking bum. But folks, I was just like, you know what? I never fucking worked this shift, and I was just like, you know what? It's already 7 a.m. and they're definitely selling some alcohol, and I had to hit up that fucking Whataburger. But yeah, cheers. And it is a motherfucking weekend, guys. It's officially Saturday morning. Like I said, shout outs to those that work the motherfucking graveyard shift. Shout outs to, I believe Shady is one of them. Shout outs to Shady. Early morning motherfucking sippage. Oh, it's hitting different. It's hitting different, dogs.
I'm breaking out real bad. I'm breaking out real bad. I'm sure going up to my slab. I'm breaking out real bad. I'm breaking out real bad. I'm breaking out real bad.
Shout out to Kazi for that fucking dance, dog. And maybe one more fry. Fucking Whataburger dogs. Ain't no joke. Ain't no joke. I'm waiting for that fucking burp. Folks, if you guys haven't seen Deadpool and Wolverine, you guys gotta definitely check out that fucking movie. It's so fucking funny. And I prefer them than any fucking Avenger movie out there, man. Fuck the Avengers and all that bullshit. And that shit was so fucking funny, dogs. Can't wait for that Beetlejuice motherfucking movie. I'm glad they kept everything Tim Burton style, dogs. And yeah, let's get this shit going. I'm glad they kept it original. That's what I'm trying to say. And yeah, let's get this fucking swell, dogs.
I'm sure going up to my slab.
Now I gotta work my wood grain wheel. Popping trunks, popping pills, still popping seals. High in the hill with my mind on meal. Keys and chains swinging, bankroll, shiny grill. Baby, I got $1 million dreams with my mind on cream. I'm in that.
Hello, I just love hating all of yous when I'm trying to bring up the views.